7 daily habits that secretly keep you constipated without you realizing it. Have you ever felt bloated, sluggish, or just uncomfortable even when you thought you were eating healthy? Maybe you're eating your salads, cutting out processed foods, and staying away from junk, but somehow your gut still feels stuck. Here's the surprising truth. Constipation might not be about what you eat, it could be about how you live. According to the American Gastroenterological Association, more than 2.5 million people visit doctors every year for constipation-related problems, and many of those cases have nothing to do with food at all. In this video, we're uncovering 7 everyday habits that secretly keep you constipated without you even realizing it. Stay until the end, because habit number 7 is something almost everyone does first thing every morning, and it's one of the biggest gut killers of all. 7 everyday habits that secretly keep you constipated without you even realizing it. 1. Ignoring the urge to go. Let's start with something simple, yet surprisingly common. You felt it before, that gentle signal from your gut telling you it's time for a bowel movement. But you're at work, in a meeting, or maybe just too busy, so you tell yourself, I will go later. Unfortunately, later often never comes. According to the Cleveland Clinic, ignoring natural bowel urges trains your colon to hold stool longer than it should. Over time, this makes your stool harder, drier, and much more difficult to pass. Every time you resist the urge, you're sending your body mixed signals. Your colon learns to hold back, and eventually that urge becomes weaker. The more often you delay, the more your system forgets how to respond properly. Medical experts call this stool withholding, and it's one of the top behavioral causes of chronic constipation. When you feel that natural urge, don't negotiate with your gut. Respect your body's timing. Try to use the bathroom within 30 minutes of feeling the need. If you're always on the go, develop a consistent bathroom schedule, perhaps every morning after breakfast. Your gut loves consistency. And once you reestablish that rhythm, you'll notice your digestion becoming more regular and comfortable. 2. Not drinking enough water. Hydration isn't just for quenching thirst, it's essential for digestion. Water keeps your stool soft, helps nutrients move through your system, and prevents your colon from drying out. The Harvard Medical School points out that dehydration is one of the most overlooked causes of constipation. When you don't drink enough, your colon actually steals moisture from your stool to maintain balance, leaving it hard and painful to pass. Here's another common mistake. Many people think they're hungry when they're actually thirsty. So instead of drinking water, they grab a snack, which further confuses the body. Another key point is fiber can't work without water. Think of fiber as a sponge. It needs moisture to expand and move things along. Without water, that sponge just sits there, stuck, making constipation worse. Aim for at least 8 to 10 cups of water a day and start your morning with a warm glass of water before coffee or breakfast. Warm water gently wakes up the intestines and stimulates movement. If you drink coffee, remember it can act as a diuretic, meaning it helps you lose water. So for every cup of coffee, balance it with an equal cup of water. This simple step alone can dramatically improve your gut health and prevent dehydration-related constipation. 3. Sitting too much. Now let's talk about something nearly everyone struggles with, sitting too much. Whether you work at a desk, spend hours on your phone, or binge watch shows, long hours of sitting slow down your body's internal movement. The National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases confirms that physical activity helps stimulate intestinal contractions, which move stool through your system. When you're inactive, your digestive conveyor belt slows down. It's not just your muscles that get lazy, your intestines do too. This is why even light movement can make a huge difference. Take 5 to 10-minute walks after meals. Try standing up to stretch during work breaks or doing a few gentle yoga poses before bed. Exercise doesn't have to be intense. Simple activities like walking your dog, gardening, or stretching while watching TV can keep your digestive system alert. The more you move, the more your gut moves with you. Remember, constipation often starts when your lifestyle slows down more than your body can handle. 4. Overusing laxatives. Let's talk about a habit many people fall into: relying on laxatives too often. Laxatives can be helpful short-term, especially for temporary constipation. But long-term, they can do more harm than good. The Cleveland Clinic warns that overusing stimulant laxatives can make your colon dependent on them. Over time, your intestines forget how to move stool on their own. The more you use laxatives, the more your body depends on them. Instead of stimulating natural movement, your colon waits for the artificial trigger. This can lead to chronic constipation, bloating, and irregularity once you stop taking them. If you need occasional help, try bulk-forming laxatives like psyllium husk or natural fiber supplements. These are gentler and mimic the effects of dietary fiber. If constipation persists, always consult a doctor. 5. High stress levels. Here's something most people never consider. Your emotions and digestion are deeply connected. The American Psychological Association describes this as the gut-brain axis, a direct communication link between your nervous system and your intestines. When you're stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, your body goes into fight or flight mode. Blood flow is diverted away from digestion, and your bowel movements slow down dramatically. Stress also triggers muscle tension, including in your pelvic floor muscles, which can make it harder for stool to pass. 6. Poor bathroom posture. Believe it or not, your toilet posture could be one of the biggest reasons you're constipated. Modern toilets are designed for comfort, not efficiency. Sitting at a 90-degree angle actually bends your rectum, making it harder for stool to pass. The Journal of Gastroenterology found that squatting or sitting at a more natural angle with your knees raised helps straighten your colon and allows for a smoother, faster bowel movement. You don't need a fancy setup to fix this. Simply place a small footstool or box under your feet when sitting on the toilet. This creates a natural squat position that aligns your body correctly for elimination. It might sound small, but this one adjustment can make a huge difference in how easily your body lets go of waste. When your posture improves, your bowel movements become more complete and less strained, reducing bloating and discomfort. 7. Skipping breakfast. Now here's the one habit most people are guilty of: skipping breakfast. You might not realize it, but your digestive system wakes up with you. The first meal of the day triggers what's called the gastrocolic reflex, a natural wave of activity that stimulates bowel movement. According to the Cleveland Clinic, this reflex is strongest in the morning. When you skip breakfast, you silence that signal, delaying your body's natural rhythm. In our fast-paced lives, many people rush out the door with just coffee or nothing at all. But that morning meal, especially one rich in fiber and fluids, tells your gut it's time to move. If you skip it, your colon stays sluggish all day. Start your day with a glass of warm water, followed by a balanced breakfast that includes fiber. Constipation isn't just about food, it's about behavior. So which of these habits surprised you the most? Was it skipping breakfast or bathroom posture? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gut health videos every week. Stay healthy and safe.